Period.
Bini Maloy.
To our hearts.
Hi, Katsanasa. Can we take a picture?
Oh, sure! Oh my God!
Lalabas yung baka. Gananin ko na lang, no? Oo, kami naman kabayo.
Let's intro na ba? Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Yeah! So, ano plano today?
Sakit. Punta nga.
Kompleto kami apat kayo dahil wala kaming ganap today. We decided na umalis kami and ang vlog na to hindi nila siya basta-basta vlog.
Bini Malo.
Ang vlog na to is English only.
Together with Maloy.
English only, so hindi pa kami pwede mag-Tagalog. For a day, hanggang sa makauwi kami or hanggang sa matapos itong vlog
Yes
na
or
to.
no lang. May kita niyo kami dalawa. Yes or no lang.
So let's get started.
Pero nandun na siya.
Oh my God!
Ano ba?
Who are you?
Sorry, my phone. Bakit sasalita? Come on.
So, pag in the end of this video is ano tawag? In the end of this video is so there is a punishment for this challenge and if who is the most speak Tagalog? So the person who speak Tagalog a lot is we will receive a punishment which is the dare. Period queen.
Hi everyone, and
We're here
to watch on.
I'm looking for acne treatment. I'm looking for a face mask. For my face. Mask shield. So pricey.
Ito mo set of you. This one.
I think this Lux Organics because I'm a Lux Organics user if you know that. Ikaw, what are you looking for?
Nothing.
Should I buy this? Comment down below.
Yes. Just,
You need to buy this for yourself. You don't have this, right?
yes, but bagay sa iyo yan.
No, I think it will very good for you.
No, it's good for you.
I have
Because
a,
your teeth is very yellow.
I have a sweet teeth, sweet
No,
breath.
it's very yellow. Like
But it's good.
margarine.
Wow, it's
It's cheese.
cheese. It's cheese.
Like, look.
Very more, very cheesy. How about this? Very cheese, very
Ano, it's very cheese. Like, look. Content ka natin.
Oh, English only. English only.
So guys,
Oh.
kanina,
We just saw Bini ka sa Lamangka.
Oh my God.
it's crazy, you know.
Bini sa Lamangka.
She's giving talaga a vibe.
Yes. Bini sa Lamangka is you. With Bini Maloy. May video kami dyan guys. Ipa-flash yan kung gaano kami kagaya.
English na.
Ay.
Bakla.
Ang dami na sabihin kasi ako.
English.
Bini sa Lamangka with Bini Maloy. Nandito.
So
Everyone,
tonight,
nandito na kami sa East
English.
Ano ba?
So tonight we're
Tonight
here
is
at
Hi, Katsanasa. Can we take a picture?
Oh sure! Oh my God!
Just kidding, babes. With Bini Maloy.
Do you know her? Bini Maloy!
I didn't know. Because she's pretty.
Giving mali.
So,
guys.
hi!
Mute challenge, please.
Yeah, so I have something for her. Oh my God!
Oh my god. Oh my
I have candy.
ha ha.
Bigat ka muna. Tagal.
Parang close your eyes yun mo.
Close your eyes. Busag-busag ka. Ay, siya kaya tayo basag-basag ka. Since we have the same birthday! Open your eyes. Betcha.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Kapo na kap.
Here's mine.
Bestie.
Black and white.
Yes. Me, nothing. because
She have design here, but my design here is gone.
kapo na ka
You're welcome, Betches.
me happy birthday na lang mo. Look, super pretty.
Where is her shit?
Going outside to buy ice cream.
We're currently waiting for them.
Yes.
We film a TikTok video. You can check on my social.
Very demure. It's very pretty.
On my profile.
Super people in the front is very it's very madami. Yung usawa ko!
Who did you see?
My baby! My Archie sa High Street. Yes. Si Elijah Canlas is on. Paano sila?
Is on daw, is on.
Saan ba?
Bini Maloy.
Me!
Bini Maloy.
It's me!
Asan si Bini Maloy dyan? Asan si Bini Maloy? Siya, saan?
Ayun o!
Saan?
With the white jacket. With the black jacket.
With the red glasses, with the pink clip. Hey.
Glasses.
Ah.
Malone.
Ay!
Di ba ganyan? Ayun sa'yo. Wait. Taas sa akin.
Sa. Bagay ba? Parang weird.
Huwag ang weird mo dyan.
Parang bagay siya sa akin. Parang kamukha ko si Maloy. Tignan mo. Maloy, tignan mo kamukha. Oh.
Hindi hoy.
Hindi. Gusto mo ikaw dyan.
Ako lang dapat yun.
Tignan mo paano si Maloy oh. Hindi, pwede naman.
Uy! Pinibali ka talaga.
Bagay hindi. Teacher.
Pero bagay sa'yo.
Ito ko. Shake.
Hindi mo pa sa'yo.
Hindi ko. Bagay ba?
No.
How about this? Ay, parang ganda. Madeline. Hindi. Ay, gusto ko yung parang ang ganda niya. Ganda gusto ko. Hindi siya ganun.
Bagay sa akin mga ganito na eh.
Carry ba?
Very maliit.
Ang parang ganda ko.
Ako ang punay. Hindi oh. Ay, try mo nga sa akin.
Ito, ito.
Oh, try mo to.
Bagay.
Straight up eh.
Mas maganda sa akin.
No, it's not.
Mas maganda sa akin. Oh.
Mamili kayo. Sa akin yan, di ba? Look, bigay mo sa akin yan.
Mas bagay sa akin.
Madiri.
Alright.
Gantahan na kasi.
Oh, eto. Parang ganda.
Parang ang ganda mo.
Ito.
Ay, parang bagay. Parang nag-nerds ka lang. Ako.
Basta katali na ako. Example.
Example.
Parang pasok. Ganap na ganap. Sige. Carry, di ba? Magandang ni. Magandang ni. Oh, ganun.
Pero pag wala kang makeup, dun malalaman.
Ano? Ang ganda ko. I mean, out of 10.
Tapos naman yun. Matapos ka lang kasi yun.
Okay yun. Nicole out of 10.
10.
Okay, done na po kami. So, let's go. Thank you, ma'am. So, sukat-sukat lang ako at bumili ako solution. So, ba't nagkatagalog na ako? But anyways, ako back to English. So, before, I haven't decided yet what's the perfect frame for my eyes. So, I think I already found na. So, I'm satisfied. I saved, I take a picture. Hinihingal ako sa English na to. But you know, I already choose red glasses.
So guys, kanina is may nakabangga siya.
English, no.
Iba naman
Stop
yun.
saying that.
So nakabangga siya. Tapos sabi niya, sorry period.
No, I literally say sorry to them.
No, parang funny.
That's genuinely sorry. No,
No,
for
thank-
vlog.
Kuya, kuya.
Sir, lapit ka doon. Picture.
Kahit nagaganon ako, natatakot ako.
Go na.
Ay, sasabihin mo.
Pa-picture daw po. O, go na. Lapit ka.
Kuya ka lang. Sorry.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Ma'am, what is the inspired of your outfit today?
Boyish, it's not giving. You know.
Ano ba? I mean, what kind of style? Y2K style?
Y2K o YA. Like something girlfriend.
Hershey, looking for cold body daw mama mo.
Hot body mo pa. English only.
Oh my god, Biane Chucharo. English. No talking, please. No video, please.
Stop bothering me. I'm out of the word.
Why? I thought you were good at English because you like watching K-drama, movies like that.
No comment.
Oh, it's not.
Why?
A little bit. But sometimes it's so hard to I can easily understand. Period.
Oh my God, is this Bini Maloy?
Bini
Atos,
wait.
can you go there?
Look!
Ah, Sis,
Yes.
is this familiar?
Parang sa amin to. Parang naligaw dito. The curtain is similar to my house. To our house.
I love your eagle eyes. It's
It's
giving.
very funny, right?
Yes.
Very demure period. Likod.
I is giving Lisa.
Lisa. Pagharap.
Well, side view, side
Side
view.
view.
Side view.
Sino?
Broken line.
Broken. Pagharap.
Ah.
Bini mali. Hi everyone! We are here at Kupa Expo. Hi guys, I'm back. Guess who I am? I am Girls of MG. Gulat! Yes, let me, outfit check.
This a wig?
Babe! Uy, ginugulo mo.
I thought it was a wig.
Outfit check tayo. So this gift is from my mother. And this one is, I bought this thrift clothes. And this one is also Shopee. And loafers is from TikTok shop. Kung ano nang binablag ni Carla. Ayan o. This is how we take a picture from each other. Diba? That's how we take a picture from each other.
Indeed.
Time check.
Currently 10:04.
And I'm so tired. I want to go home and dress and do my skincare because I bought my new skincare.
Now we are now going to bus shuttle.
Why we don't have Halloween content?
There's
Because we don't have
there's
money.
I'm back from my Lilo for my healing process. Let's go to it here. Oh my god, I'm gonna die! Mother!
Yeah, you're so annoying. Stop doing that.
Let me interview you.
Okay, so what's the question?
Who is your big winner tonight?
Can you zoom out, please? My big winner for tonight is the one and only Miss Sophia Smith. Period. She's a mother.
Why? Even though she's bashing,
Her first week, she's received a lot of backlashing from the netizen, but look at her right now. A lot of people support her because she improved her attitude like a lot. That's why I love the humor talaga. Who is your big winner?
before my big winner is Fiang Smith, but from now, my big winner is Kai because she has a lot of contribute in their task. Obvious naman, di ba? My personal opinion, when it comes to voting, I think Fiang is, the tie, we're gonna tie. Twerk! Twerk! Tigas ulo ko. Ginagaya mo na naman sa Erica. You're copying Erica.
No, because
You have no originality.
yeah, Erica is my sister. Erica, right?
Erica ano?
Erica, the one who, the it girl, the fashion show girl, the chef kiss girl.
Everything. Asan na yung dalawa? Ayun yung dalawa. Hala! Ang baba pala! So guys, I have some chika.
I'm so tired.
So next week, Bini is here. They have a really nice concert here at Araneta. I'm a little bit sad because I'm not going to their concert. Yeah, because I am out of...
Oh my God!
I am... What are you doing? I'm vlogging. Oh, you're so fresh. Gorgeous, baby. I am vlogging.
Check.
Oh, don't zoom up. You're gonna see my people. And
Hi guys! Hello! Going to home na right now. And because... Who's that girl? Bini Malay. Because my glasses is very... Who's this? Kasana Zan!